Good morning, children. How are you? So, in the previous class, we have completed the first aeroplane, that is, second lesson. So, here we have given some pictures. So, and in the above the pictures, in the box, they gave some names. So, we have to write the suitable name under that picture. Here you see that what are the names given here: aeroplane, glider, kite, rocket, helicopter. Once again, aeroplane, glider, kite, rocket, helicopter. Okay, here what is the picture here? You see clearly, it is a kite. So you write the kite here. And next, what is that? Helicopter. You have to write the word helicopter here. Then what is this? You know what is the name of this? It is the aeroplane. You have to write aeroplane here. What is it? You know very well, you are clever students. What do we call it? It is the rocket. Okay, what is it? It is the glider. Is that glider? You write here the glider. So now we go for the lesson reading. We go for what? Lesson reading. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright, popularly known as Wright brothers, created history when they invented the first aeroplane. Once again I repeat, listen carefully. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright, popularly known as Wright brothers, created history when they invented the first aeroplane. They designed their first aircraft, that was a small glider. It was flown as a kite. They arched the tips of the glider wings slightly to control its balance and movement. To get a better idea, the Wright brothers spent hours observing birds in flight. They noticed that birds soared up in wind and the curved surface of their wings helped them move up. The birds changed the shape and flapped their wings to turn and control their speed. The Wright brothers thought that they could use this method and change the shape of the wings of the glider to fly it successfully. Over the next 3 years, the Wright brothers designed many gliders that were flown unmanned or by pilots. They realized that a good control of the flying aircraft would be the most difficult problem, but they were not afraid of failure. After a successful glider test, they built and tested a big full-size glider at Kittiwake in North Carolina. The place was suitable because of its wind, sandy soil, hills and remote location. In 1900, they were successful in flying a big 50-pound glider with 17-foot wingspan at Kittiwake, again both as unmanned and piloted flights. In fact, it was the first glider having a pilot. They decided to build a bigger and better glider. Their thrill and excitement would not be expressed in words. In 1901, the Wright brothers flew the biggest glider ever flown. It weighed 100 pounds, but many problems occurred. The wings could not lift it high enough, and sometimes the aeroplane spun out of control. They were extremely disappointed, but they soon overcome it. Their love for adventure helped them move on. Later, they decided to build a new and improved glider with a tail to make it suitable and a wingspan of 32 feet. In 1902, the Wright brothers flew the glider many times. The movable tail of the glider helped to balance the craft. They were happy to have succeeded. Next, they decided to build a motor-powered aircraft. They designed a motor and a new aircraft. The aircraft weighed 700 pounds and was called the Flyer. The brothers built a downhill track to launch the Flyer. This helped the aircraft to gain a good airspeed to fly. After 2 attempts to fly the mission, one of which was almost a small crash, Orville Wright took the Flyer for a 12 seconds flight on 17th December 1903. It was the first successful powered flight in history. In 1904, the flight lasted more than 5 minutes. The Flyer was flown by the Wilbur Wright. Okay, children? So you practice by listening this, you practice at home. Okay, here you have given some sentences. We have to write T. If it is true, you have to write true T. And if it is false, you have to write F in the given boxes. Okay, children. So listen, I'll read the sentences. Whether it is true or false, you write them. The first aircraft designed by the Wright brothers was flown as a kite. The first aircraft designed by the Wright brothers was flown as a kite. Yes, true. The Wright brothers spent hours observing the glider. కొన్ని గంటలు గడిపారు కదా రైట్ బ్రదర్స్. వేటిని పరిశీలిస్తూ గడిపారు? పక్షులని కదా, గ్లైడర్ కాదు కదా. మరి ఈస్ దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ ట్రూ? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ట్రూ. The Wright brothers spent hours observing the birds, not gliders. So that is the reason it is false. In 1901, the Wright brothers flew the smallest glider. You see that once we come back. In 1901, what did they do? In 1901, the Wright brothers flew the biggest glider ever flown. అప్పటి వరకు ఎగరనంత పెద్దటి గ్లైడర్ వాళ్ళు ఎగరేశారు, అవునా? So but here what is the sentence given us? Yes, in 1901 the Wright brothers flew the smallest glider. Is it true? They flew the biggest glider which ever flew. So this sentence is wrong, false. The Wright brothers built an uphill track to launch the flyer. Uphill glider flyer ని లాంచ్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళు అప్హిల్ ట్రాక్ ని బిల్డ్ చేశారా? డౌన్ హిల్ ట్రాక్ న కొండపై నుంచి ఈ విధంగా రావడానికి ట్రాక్ చేశారా? ఇట్లా కింద నుంచి పైకి పోవడానికి ట్రాక్ తయారు చేశారా? డౌన్ హిల్ ట్రాక్, నాట్ అప్హిల్ ట్రాక్. సో దే బిల్ట్ the downhill track, not an uphill track. Means this sentence is false. This sentence is false. In 1904, the flight of the powered aircraft lasted more than 5 minutes. Okay, here you can see the sentence. We'll come back once. You see that? In 1904, the flight lasted more than 5 minutes. Means our sentence, what is the sentence they gave to us? In 1904, the flight of the powered aircraft lasted more than 5 minutes. గాలిలో ఎంతసేపు ఉంది? అది 5 నిమిషాల కంటే ఎక్కువనే ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ కూడా అది ఇచ్చారు కదా మనకి. సో దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇస్ ట్రూ. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇస్ ట్రూ, second sentence false, 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 true. Okay, then we go for the take the correct answer. The Wright brothers spent hours together observing. దేన్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ కొన్ని గంటలు గడిపారు వాళ్ళు? క్లౌడ్స్, బర్డ్స్, హెలికాప్టర్స్, kites. What did they observe? Hours together. మేఘాలను చూసారా? పక్షులను చూసారా? హెలికాప్టర్స్ ని చూసారా? ఆర్ కైట్స్ ని పరిశీలించారా? వేటిని? What did they observe? They observed birds. What did they observe? They observed birds. You put tick mark here. Then the flyer was first flown for 12 seconds in 1910, 1908, 1903, 1920. First flyer flown how many seconds? 12 seconds. You see that here, sentence you can see here. In 1903, okay? So it flew 12 seconds. In which year? 1903. Here which answer we have to which answer we have to put tick mark? 1903. Okay? Okay, I'll send these answers in the WhatsApp group. So in the next class, we'll learn about the simple past and past continuous tense. Until then, bye bye.